Hello YouTubers, I'm just sharing some ideas of how to hang a swing on your tree if you don't have any branches. Now I only seen one video, and one guy, what he did was, I pretend that's the tree. What he did was he put a 4x4 this way and a 4x4 this way, right? He put a brace underneath, and then he put a chain on top. And then of course he put his swing. Right now, the only problem with this is you're relying on the bolts holding this and a bolt holding that, and you know there's a lot of stuff involved to get that. So I was going to give you some other ideas. Here's another one. Say this is your tree, you have no branches, you could put a 2x8 straight across and put some bolts in there and try to hang your swing this way. You know, at least you get more surface area, but now you're relying on those 4 bolts to hold the weight down. All right, so that's just an idea. It depends on how thick the tree is, of course. Another way of doing it is, this is your tree, do the same thing, 2x8, and then put a support on it. You know, a 4x4 with a footing. Then you can hang your swing. That's another idea. The other idea is getting 2 trees, you know, and putting a piece across so you can hang it. That's more stable that way, right? Could even put a bench. But here's an even better idea. If you have your tree, I call this the wedge. So you get 2 pieces of 2x8s, one on each side, right? Now you box this in. You put one underneath, right? That's supporting the weight, and one above going across. So now the weight of your swing going down this way, it'll be wedged on that piece. And when you put that weight there, it's wedged on that piece. So in reality, you're making a box around the tree so that it can't move. And in doing it in this way, you don't even have to bolt it to the tree. In fact, you could probably just lift this side up and you could maneuver it up and down the tree, depending how much room you leave around it. Then once you get it to where it is, you lock it into its position and you're set. Now the way I would do this is bolt everything together with the joist hangers. And even right here, put 2 pieces across with joist hangers, then you can hang your swing to it with your eye hooks. So these are just ideas you can try. I would probably go with this one more than anything else. Now, of course, it all depends how far out you're gonna go. You need to have some clearance so you don't bang into the tree. Make it safe for the kids. But the other one is also a suitable idea, which is this one right here. Get another support so you have, you know, both sides supported correctly. All right, hope any of these ideas can help you out in your project. Thank you for watching.